Hello, my people. It's me, Ijore of Ediowa. I want to say thank you for watching me and thank you for leaving your comments every time. I so much appreciate. My people, today's topic is just about men. Men today is for you guys, because you guys are our father, our brothers, our everything. We can't do it alone without you guys. But guys, don't be annoying my children. They are eating. In case if you hear noise of spoon, men, don't we women, we need you guys to be honest to us. And some men, they are not that honest at all. When a woman is doing everything possible to win your love back, if you don't love that woman, don't try to bring her down like less woman, because there are things that you need from your wife. There are things you need from your partner. If that wife of yours is not doing it, that doesn't mean other men won't love her the way she is. But if you try, you know yourself, you don't love that woman, instead of you open your mouth to say, no, this is not the right person for me, and you try. I understand some men will try to not to lost or lose that woman because that woman is very perfect. But some of men doesn't care whether they don't care if they lose that woman, but they will try to place something in their head. It's like they cook their head to make sure all those women doesn't have trust in their self anymore. Please, my brother, stop doing that if you are that kind of man. I understand if you don't love a woman, there's nothing that woman can do to win your love back. But for you to try to let them, less woman, for them not to trust their self, is very bad. Anything you tell those women, they store it here. But you know that woman is very nice. Your brother that's watching me, you know that woman is very nice, but you know it's not for you, but you don't want to let it go, and you are trying to cook her head for her to not to trust herself anymore, for her not to give a man chance. It will, because of you men that are very selfish. Those women, those wives I'm talking about, they are like our mothers. We still have all those women who is like our mother. They will treat their husband very nice. They will give them water to wash their hand in this Europe. There are some men who doesn't love those women back. And it's not a force for you to love those women back, but you don't have right to put them down. You don't have right to cook their head. You don't have right to make them feel like less woman. You don't have right for them to regret their life meeting you. The only thing they have done wrong is to love you, to cherish you, to make sure you are okay. They want their home to, sorry, I look down. They want their home to be that perfect home. But men, if you don't love woman, please don't try to put her down, and don't replace her with other women. You know, these women, some of them, they are very sensitive, and anything that you have done to them, they will put it here. Please, my brother, if you know that woman have kids for you, just go. I understand you, because this art is not there. You are just there with them, but you are not happy. For me, as me, Ijoro of Ediowa, I understand when there is no love from these men, there's nothing the women can do will make them happy. Nothing. But my brother, if you want to leave all those women that you don't love, don't try to bring them down before you leave. Don't try to. I know maybe you will come across a woman and say, wow, this woman is nice, I will marry her, and maybe after 2 or 1 year you don't feel that thing that make you as a man, you don't feel happy, you don't get it, you ask yourself, why I don't love this woman. My brother, you can call her, you sit her down, you tell her you don't love her anymore. Instead of using a word that like a knife, a word like a cutlass, to bring her down. Though not all women are strong, you know. Not all women are capable to say what you are saying is rubbish. Not all women who is that maybe you know, men, please, if you want to go, leave these women instead of bringing them down, because you are there outside. You are with your loved, you are with a woman that you love now, but you don't know what this woman is going through with this word you put on their head. You don't know. But I said it again, not all women who is strong. Brother, you are there happy, doing things that you don't do with this woman. I understand. I repeat, I understand, because when a man loves a woman, there is nothing he can do. There is no, even the ugliness in that woman won't see it. If you agree with me, brother or sister, just leave your message. But today's topic is just, please, remember, when you leave a woman that you use your man to destroy, people, that woman is at home with your children suffering. Try to come out from that, how do you guys call it? How do you guys call it in English? I don't know what is uhugon. If you know what uhugon, I mean, you see that thing, Congo meat always, the skin of Congo meat, is uhugon in my dialect. You know, all those women you have used your mouth to destroy. You are just because for you want to leave a woman. You know you don't love that woman anymore. Don't bring her down. Don't try anything that she does is nothing for you. I understand. It is possible. Maybe some women don't know. You can never force any man to love you. It's not possible. But if you didn't tell them, I don't love you, I don't feel anything for you anymore, they won't know. These women, these hard women, these cool women, these big heart women, I don't know, those women are very very good. I don't know how to say it, my people. Those women, I can't say they are naive, they don't see it, but they try to not to make mistake in their home. They try to make everything possible in their home. But when a man who doesn't love them come across those women, these women always suffer in their home. They suffer a lot. When they won't say anything that happened in their home to any other people, even their mother, they won't say anything. Those women are very, very, very emotional. You please, my brother, you don't know. Now you are in your home, you don't know what is happening to those women you destroy. Please, when you want to leave a woman that you don't love, stop destroying her with your word, with your words. Excuse me, with your words. See, they talk every time. That's the way they use till they put them down before they remove them from here. It will reach, if they reach 20 or 30 years, some women. Please, my brothers, if you don't love your wife, the mother of your kid, you have right to go, but don't put them down. Those kind of women, it's not like all those yow women say they crazy, they say go the man. All those men, they are very peaceful. They are looking for a man that will know them, that will love them, that they will marry. They don't go after many men. Brother, now that you leave, do you ever think of what that pain, that thing you were telling her? You don't think of it. But those women they have it here, even though the food they eat does not digest because of the thinking. Some of them, they don't know that they are think. Some of them know that you have gone, you are not coming back to them, but they are still in that I mean that I will write it because I don't know what it will want in English. Okay, my people, those women that you leave, my brother, they stay in that place. They don't know how to go out. Then it's not maybe they are thinking of you, but they are thinking of how you bring them down. All those they think about. I've done everything. Is there any place I've gone wrong? My sister, today if you come across this my video, you don't nothing wrong. It just the man does not know how to tell you I don't love you. Even though the man said I don't love you, you would try everything or miss to make that man love you. My sister, when a man leave you, let him go. Just let him. This is my brother. I hope you guys understand this message. I'm not insulting you guys. I'm just trying to tell you guys, if you don't love a woman, don't replace her with other women before you leave the old one. I hope you guys understand me. Thank you for watching. Bye.